In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text in email on Gmail. Easy guide. Getting your message to look clean and professional often comes down to simple alignment choices. Today, I'll show you how to left, center, or right align text in Gmail on desktop, plus quick keyboard shortcuts if you prefer not to use the mouse. First, open your browser and log in to Gmail. Once you're in your inbox, click Compose to start a new message. You can type your content first or paste it in. Either way works. Next, highlight the exact text you want to align. Alignment applies to the selected paragraphs, so if you want multiple lines to move together, include them all in your selection. Look to the bottom of the Compose window for the toolbar. Click the Formatting Options icon. It's the letter A with an underline. That opens the formatting panel. In that panel, find the Align icon. It looks like 4 horizontal lines stacked. Click it to reveal the alignment choices. Left align is the default and is best for most body text because it's the easiest to read quickly. If your text has drifted or you just want to reset it, choose left align to bring it back. Center is great for short headings, event titles, or a single call-out line that you want to stand out. Select your line and choose center. Right align pushes text to the right margin. It can be useful for dates, sign-offs, or small annotations where you want a different visual balance. If you prefer using your keyboard, keep your text highlighted and use these shortcuts on Windows or Chrome OS. Press Ctrl, Shift, and L together to align left. Press Ctrl, Shift, and E to center. Press Ctrl, Shift, and R to align right. The shortcut you choose applies instantly to the selected paragraph or paragraphs, which makes it fast to experiment and then settle on what looks best. A few quick tips to avoid surprises. If alignment doesn't seem to change, double-check that you've selected the text you intended. Alignment won't apply to unselected content. Remember that alignment affects entire paragraphs, so line breaks matter. And if your toolbar looks collapsed, clicking the underlined A expands it so you can see the Align button. That's it. Compose, highlight, open formatting, pick your alignment, or use the shortcuts if you like. Clean, consistent alignment makes your emails easier to scan and more polished. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.